What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Doob's Booze Reviews. Today, we're looking at the Appleton Estate Signature Blend. Appleton Estate began perfecting its rum making over 265 years ago. Based deep in the Nassau Valley of Jamaica, one thing I really like about Jamaican rum is that nice toasted flavor, like toasted cocoa bean. If you don't know what that tastes like, imagine toasted molasses. That's definitely what this tastes like. One thing I didn't know is true Jamaican rum goes through a similar process almost like bourbon to be called Jamaican rum. Man, it's really smooth on the nose. You get the heat, but you don't get that like, ooh, little almost like cranberry. So on the nose, it's fruity. You get more of the light fruits, you get more like the peach, maybe like a really small hint of raspberry, a little touch of that toasted note. In the palate, that comes through a lot heavier. So you're gonna get a lot more vanilla, more molasses, more peach. Little touch of raisin. Almost like a little bit of a cola flavor in there. Cocktails, I think it would go well in. You could top it on anything, as in like a pina colada or a daiquiri. Just do a little float on top if you want just a little bit of that. It kind of adds a cool gradient on the cocktail as well. I made a drink specifically with this called the Agate. It's kind of like an old-fashioned geared around Jamaican rum. I got a link down in the description below for that cocktail. By the taste and the smoothness of it, I would say a good price for this, $20, $25. Is a great deal. Hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below on what your favorite Jamaican rum is. I really like that toasted flavor like this in Myers Dark, so leave me a comment. I would love to do a tasting of some of them. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.